Good afternoon, Hitomi. Welcome back to my class and welcome back to Native Camp. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes,
Great. How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm good. Thank you so much for asking. So let's start. For today's lesson, you have chosen Culture Middle New Year. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right, let's start with the first section, warm up. Now, let's name all the words that you can come up with from these pictures. Are you ready?
Yes.
Please start with number one.
Rat.
Next, number two,
Cow.
cow. Number three,
Tiger.
tiger. Number four,
Rabbit.
rabbit. Number five,
Dragon.
dragon. Number six,
Snake.
number seven,
Horse.
correct. Number eight,
Sheep.
sheep. Number nine,
Monkey.
monkey. Number 10,
Chicken.
chicken or rooster, you can say.
Rooster.
Number 11,
Dog.
yes. Number 12,
Pig.
all right, pig or boar.
Boar.
Very good. All right. Thank you. Now let's move on to the next section. Let's match. Now please check the directions.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, so let's start with number one. Fireworks.
C.
Letter C. Correct. Number two, ball drop.
A.
Letter A. Number three, rooster.
B.
Very good. All right, well done. Let's move on to the next section. Let's read. Please check the directions.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, now let's read it together. Please repeat after me. New Year's Eve and Day in the United States.
New Year's Eve and Day in the United States.
New Year's Eve is a major social holiday for many people in the United States.
New Year's Eve is a major social holiday for many people in the United States.
Many people hold parties at home or attend special celebrations to celebrate the upcoming new year.
Many people hold parties at home or attend special celebrations to celebrate the upcoming New Year.
All right, let's read that one more time. Many people hold parties at home or attend special celebrations to celebrate the upcoming new year.
Many people hold parties at home or attend special celebrations to celebrate the upcoming new year.
They believe kissing during midnight as the year approaches is a good gesture that purifies everything that is evil.
They believe kissing during midnight as the year approaches is a good gesture that
Purifies
purifies everything that is
evil.
evil.
Very good. A particularly striking aspect of the New Year's Eve festivities is the ball drop in Times Square in Manhattan, New York City.
A particularly striking aspect
Mm.
of the New Year's Eve festivities
Festivities.
festivities is the
Festivities.
ball drop in Times Square in Manhattan, New York City.
All right, let's try to practice this word before we proceed. I'll type it into the chat box. Please repeat after me twice. Festivities.
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 Let's try to read that sentence one more time. A particularly striking aspect of the New Year's Eve festivities is the ball drop in Times Square in Manhattan, New York City.
A particularly striking aspect of the New Year's Eve festivities is the ball drop in Times Square in Manhattan, New York City.
Very good. The ball is made of crystal and electric lights and is placed on top of a pole.
The ball is made of crystal and electric lights and is placed on top of a pole.
At 1 minute before midnight on December 31, the ball is lowered slowly down the pole.
At 1 minute before midnight on December 31, the ball is lowered slowly down the pole.
Very good. It comes to rest at the bottom of the pole at exactly midnight.
Comes, it comes to rest at the bottom of the pole at exactly midnight.
The event is shown on television across the United States and around the world.
The event is shown on television across the United States and around the world.
The event has been held every year since 1907, except during World War II.
The event has been held every year since 1907, except during World War II.
Very good. All right. Now let's practice some words before we proceed. All right, this one. Please repeat after me. Purifies.
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 Next one. Sorry, not that one. This one. Evil.
Evil.
Okay, let me type that into the chat box. Please wait for a while. All right, this one. Evil.
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 Very good. And last one. We practiced this earlier. One more time. Festivities.
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 Very good. All right. Let's move on to reading comprehension. Now, please check the directions.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Please answer the following questions. Number 1, what do they or people believe is a good gesture to do during midnight?
They believe kissing is a good gesture at midnight.
All right. Kissing is a good gesture at midnight or during midnight.
During midnight.
Let me type that into the chat box so you can review it later. Okay, now what about number 2? Why do they do it?
Because they believe it's a good gesture that purifies everything that is evil.
All right, it's a good gesture that purifies everything that is evil. Number 3, what is a particularly striking aspect of the New Year's Eve festivities in the US?
A particularly striking
Mm.
aspect of the New Year's Eve festivities is the ball drop in Times Square in Manhattan, New York City.
All right, complete sentence. Very good. What about number 4? When is the ball lowered slowly down the pole?
It's at 1 minute before midnight on December 31.
Very good. Now, when did the event start?
It's been held every year since 1907.
All right, it's been held every year since 1907. Let me type your answer into the chat box so you can review it. It's been held every year since 1907. Well done. All right, Let's move on to the next section. Let's discuss. Please check the directions.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, now please answer my question. Number one, how do you celebrate New Year's Eve and New Year's Day?
Hmm, I celebrate New Year's Eve and New Year's Day with my family.
Wow. What do you
How
usually do?
I usually eat special food
Mm, a special
such
food?
as
A special food.
special food such as soba and osechi.
Osechi. So traditional Japanese food.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Do you write a New Year's resolution? Why or why not?
Hmm, I don't write a New Year's resolution
Hmm. Why not?
because we don't have that kind of culture. But
Oh.
we go to shrine and pray our New Year's resolution.
Oh, so just going to shrine and pray, but not writing it down. All right.
Mm,
Hmm.
there is a board,
Hmm.
written board in shrine. We can write resolution.
Oh, really?
But I don't.
You're not sure yet.
I
Okay.
don't know. I mean, I don't. I haven't wrote
Ah,
written.
you haven't tried it.
Yes.
Okay. Question number three. What's your wish for the upcoming year?
What's your wish for the upcoming year? I wish I wish I wish I would earn more money.
Wow. I wish I would earn more money. I think everyone wants to earn money, right? A lot of money. All right. Question number four. Have you celebrated the new year outside your country? How was it?
I have celebrated the New Year in the Philippines twice.
Wow. Already twice. How was it?
First year, I went to mountain
Hmm? Really?
Osmania Peak
Osmania Peak in Cebu?
in Cebu
Hmm.
with my coworker.
Oh.
We couldn't see sunrise
Hmm.
and we lost our way. Yeah, it was very bad weather.
Really? At that time, there was a bad
Yes.
weather. Oh, so for the second time around, what did you do?
I spent my time with Filipino friends
Wow.
in her house.
So you celebrated the new year with her family.
Yes.
All right. Question number five. Would you like to celebrate the new year like how Westerners do? Why or why not?
I don't want to celebrate the new year like Westerns
Westerners?
Westerners
Yes.
because it's
Why?
too crowded for me and
Really?
noisy.
Mm. Crowded and noisy. So you don't like crowded places or noisy places?
Yes.
Oh, so just quiet. Quietly celebrating the New Year's, like how Japanese people do.
I prefer staying in my room and watch
Ah,
television.
really? Oh, wow. Okay, thank you so much. You told me we are done. Now let's move on with the next section or to the next section. Please check the directions.
Okay, I'm done.
All right. Now, please explain the following pictures. Let's start with number one, usoji.
Also, G is traditional
Is a traditional.
culture, but I think there are same culture in other country. It's
Tradition.
yeah,
Mm,
it's spring cleaning. Like
spring cleaning. So you clean the entire house.
yes, but
Mm,
we do it in before New Year. Like we believe we want to welcome the new year
mm.
with clean house.
We want to welcome the new year with a clean house. Why? To invite positivity?
Mm. Like
Mm,
even if we had bad memories
mm.
during the year, we believe it will be good
For the next
next.
year.
Yeah,
All right. What about number two, toshikoshi soba?
toshikoshi soba. We eat toshikoshi soba on December 31st.
On December
To
31st.
yeah,
Mm,
we believe we believe that we can live for long if we ate toshikoshi soba.
for a long time.
Yes,
So, what about when you were in the Philippines? Did you also eat toshikoshi soba here?
I haven't eaten it
Mm.
because I wasn't here.
I see. You were
Yeah.
back in Japan. Okay.
No, I mean
Mm.
I was my friend's family and I was working or I was in Australia peak.
I see. So you were very busy doing other things.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Let's go to number three, Hatsumode.
Hatsumode is uh Hatsumode. We call Hatsumode. We if someone went to shrine to pray
If someone
during
goes to a shrine,
if someone goes to shrine during New Year, first of J- January to 5th of
January.
uh, 3rd of January, we
Mm.
call Hatsumode.
Okay. So someone goes to the shrine on the 3rd of January?
First to 3rd. Like we still have
So
3 days.
days. I see. So this is celebrated for 3 days. So anyone can go to the shrine, and that you can say that practice, this practice is called Hatsumode.
Yes. Like
Mm,
especially if I went there at first time,
mm,
it's Hatsumode because
mm.
Hatsu means the first.
So is it like a first prayer that you make
Yeah,
when
yeah.
you are at the shrine?
Yes.
I see. Okay. So there are usually a lot of people, right? It's very crowded.
Yes.
So do you like go doing Hatsumode? No.
I only tried twice.
Only twice.
Yes.
When you do Hatsumode, have you sometimes seen like foreign people also doing Hatsumode, not only Japanese people?
Yeah,
Wow.
because I'm living near Narita City.
Oh,
So
very
I
near the
can,
airport.
yeah, I can go to Narita Shrine, which is very famous for foreigners.
Mm.
I tried to go there and then I regret it.
Because it's too crowded. Okay.
Yes.
Number four, omikuji.
Um, it's fortune teller, fortune
Fortune telling.
paper.
Ah, I see. So strip of paper.
Yes.
So you can say it's a strip of paper that tells your fortune.
Yes.
Oh, so you always do that every year before.
Yes.
Wow. So what?
But you
Hmm.
can go, you can do anytime.
Oh, really?
Not, it's not only for
Special
New
occasions.
Year.
Oh, I see. Anytime is okay then.
Yes.
So have you gotten like a good fortune? The best fortune?
Yes.
Because there are different levels, right? Like bad luck, good luck, best luck.
Mm.
Wow. All right. Thank you so much. He told me we are done with today's lesson. So let's do a review. Please look at the yellow part. Listen carefully. I will read it to you now. Three new words and phrases in this lesson, three difficult to pronounce words. I will choose and say each word, so please repeat the word with me 3 times. Please wait for a while. I'll write it down on the whiteboard. Okay, please repeat. Striking,
Striking.
striking,
Striking.
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 Next one. Pole,
Pole.
pole,
Pole.
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 Very good. Next one. All right, please repeat. Midnight,
Midnight.
midnight,
Midnight.
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 Now let's practice the pronunciation of these three words. I'll write it down on the whiteboard. Please wait for a while. Purifies,
Purifies.
purifies,
Purifies.
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 Next one. Evil,
Evil.
evil,
Evil.
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 Last one. Festivities,
Festivities.
festivities,
Festivities.
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 Very good. All right, since we still have 1 minute left, let's try to practice these sentences. I'll type it into the chat box. Please repeat after me 3 times. All right, so earlier you said we believe that we can live a long time. Don't forget to add for in the sentence, for a long time. So please repeat after me. We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
One more time. We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
We believe that we can live for a long time if we eat toshikoshi soba.
Another one. It's a strip of paper that tells your fortune.
It's a strip of paper that tells your fortune.
One more time. It's a strip of paper that tells your fortune.
It's a strip of paper that tells your fortune.
All right, let's stop there for now. We don't have enough time. Otsukare-sama desu. Thank you so much, Hitomi.
Thank you so
I'll see you again
much.
next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.